All right, now that your logo and your banner or course trailer are set up, it is time for you to set up your topics. So in this lesson, we're gonna set up your course topics similar to how you set up your network topics. But while we're at it, we're also gonna run through a few other things that are gonna be helpful to consider as you're setting up your course inside of your Mighty Network. So first things first, go to course content. So if you scroll down, this is how you get to course topics. You're gonna go to organization and topics. But before we do that, I just wanna run through a couple other the options that are on this page. So quick posts are basically a normal post, similar to just posting something on your Facebook wall. Everybody has access to do that inside of your Mighty Network. Then we have articles. Articles allow you to put in multiple pictures, multiple videos, to embed files, and it allows you to tell a longer story. So as I shared in our great e-course adventure community, everybody has the ability to post an adventure log. Now, these adventure logs are crucial for our students to post their progress as they're building their courses. Now, depending on what your community is about, it might make sense for you to allow your students to be able to post articles. We find that articles tend to get more engagement than just regular posts, and having the ability for our students to be able to post articles really contributes a lot of value to the community, because you're creating an experience where no longer are you just the expert, but all of a sudden you are creating a village of people who all have their own unique perspectives and can offer value to your community. So for us, having articles switched on is a really valuable piece. Now, if you wanted articles switched on, you can set it that only you are allowed to post articles, which are similar to a blog, or you can have it that all members can create articles. And that's what ours is switched on to right now, is all members can post articles. You can also have polls and questions, and we use this feature a lot. I highly recommend it because you can learn a lot about your members by asking them questions. And then events are another thing. So we do regular live streaming events, and we do all sorts of amazing things, including in-person retreats. So you can switch those on, and you can have it that only you can create events, or if you want to create more of a collaborative nature inside of your community and give your members the opportunity to create their own events, you can do that too. Now, we'll get to the course materials and your course overview soon, and now that we've got a few of those things out of the way, let's go into your topics. So since you know how to do the topics from the way we did it in your Mighty Network, I'm just going to show you how we've set it up inside of ours. Now, think of topics like tags on a blog. These are the main topics of conversations that people will be having inside of your course. So the Great E-Course Adventure, the adventure log, is a very popular one. We also have a collaborate section, which acts as a classified, and it's a space for our members to buddy up and become accountability buddies. We've got brainstorming and validation, where you can share your ideas, videos that you've just done, and get real-time feedback from other members, tools and technology, and you know how to read, so you can read these all yourself. It's also really important to have an introduce yourself section where you can learn about the people that are coming to your course and find out what it is that they're actually coming for, because then you can cater an experience just for them. So you can go in and manage the topics. You can actually switch them around. If you want to change the order of the topics, just go to reorder, and you can have the order switched around like that. And you can also view and edit the current topics that you have. So now we're gonna go in, let's just edit one so you can see what it looks like. So go to edit. We've got adventure log, all members can contribute, a short description. We've got our little map for our image, and you always wanna make sure that your image has to do with the topic. You can actually use GIFs on those as well. So we're gonna save that one, and just like you did for your main Mighty Network, you can also just add new topics. And when you do, go to more options. It's such an easy process to add and take away topics. So just make sure you start with a few different topics and make them obvious for what those conversations will be about. Have some fun and upload at least 1 or 2 pieces of content to those topics of conversation before you open your course. Have fun, and once you're done, I'll see you in the next video.